Hello and welcome to the first episode of Voice Your Vichar. आज आमच्या बरोबर आसा आम आदमी पार्टीचे फुडारी तालिगांवचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह सेसिल रॉड्रिगीज. गोंयकाराच्या मनात खूब प्रश्न आसात. अशे प्रत्येक गोंयकाराच्या मनातले प्रश्न घेवन आयज आमी सेसिला बरोबर डिस्कस करूया. येवकार सेसिल.
Thank you.
We are glad to have you here.
Thanks, Apurva.
Okay. So, from an artist to an activist, how do you intend to fit in that politician's image of Goa?
I think so. You just have to be who you are. You know, we've been seeing politicians in a particular way, but we've not seen anything on ground level, the work that they've done. So, being in that kind of an image is not something that I perceive to be. I just want to be myself. I want to be the fun, loving, caring, on the ground kind of a person who's there reaching out when it's the need of the hour. Because that's how I am, and that's what I've been proving myself as a woman who is there anytime at whatever time. Whether it's early in the morning, it's late in the night. I mean, you see me painting speed breakers late in the night. I'm there. Because when we want to bring in a change, that's a commitment you have to give as a person. And people have to accept new change if they want to see Goa in a different, in a different kind of an era, in a different kind of a system of politics. So this is why youngsters like us are given an opportunity, and this is what we want to prove to our Goa, that change can happen, and it has to happen now in the 2022 elections.
So, do you think we will lose our vibrant Cecil?
Oh no, see the color I'm wearing yellow, so it's a sunshine, it's bright, it's like, yeah, the new color, warm color, acceptable by all, and I think so that's what we have to be. Smiling face, not grumpy, young and energetic, because at present we have to be there for the people, and that's what we're looking forward to.
So when we say Cecil, it's always protest, protest and protest. So now when things are changing, how would you put your things or your ideas differently in front of the people of Goa?
I think so. Main thing is people are looking out for, the MLA who's accessible, who's there when they need them the most, and who's there to listen to them. And if you can see, during election time, people are giving money to everyone, buying their votes, and then after that, they cannot speak a word. So this is why the changes should happen, because when corruption starts from before elections, it will continue after that. So this is where we as Aam Aadmi Party are coming down, where we are not going to give in money, but we are going to tell people that, we are there for you. We have to earn their loyalty. Main thing is they have to know that there is an MLA who will care for them. The person is going to care for them, who's there. And right now I'm already going down on ground level, meeting people, having chai, having sometimes, pickle, achar, whatever they give, and, we are like just, understanding what they love to make, what they love to do. And we're just helping them open up. And seeing this kind of change right now is amazing. And I'm a people's person. Right from my aviation days, where I was into customer service, and then on the reality show, and now as a protest, always with people. So I think so being in this field is the best thing that I could ever ask for, and getting this opportunity. So I couldn't say no, and that's why we are going full throttle out and seeing what we can do best for the people.
So do you assure this will, even if you get elected, this will continue?
If you know me, Apurva, I've always been there down on ground level. I think so people have seen, politicians, how they change, but I think so I know myself. I've got that fame on the national front, on the reality show, and I've always been grounded, because fame is there today, it's gone tomorrow. And when Goa has given you so much, because of Goan votes, I reached to that platform, and I won the first runners-up on the reality show. This is my time to give back to the people. And I'm there on ground level doing it day in, day out. I've got blisters on my feet. I'm missing my family. I have to sacrifice something. I lost my dad during pandemic time. So it's been a constant fight and battle. And as you say, protest. That has to stop now. And I say, good governance is what we need.
आदमी पार्टीचे जेन्ना आमी मॉडल पळयतात, it's always something which is pocket friendly for the Goans, pocket friendly lifestyle for the Goans. Whereas your ideologies say that save Goa or something for the Goans. those ideologies somewhat align or go on line with another regional party, I wouldn't like to name that party, then why AAP? AAP kidak choose kare doye?
Because I think so, AAP is one party that has really brought a change in India. The only party in the country that is trying to have common man have some benefit of the tax that he's paying every time. So anything that you buy, you pay tax. So what do we get in return? We have bad medical, we have bad roads, our whole infrastructure is corrupt. Aam Aadmi Party is one party that is trying to build the common man. Even in whatever salary he has, trying to retain it for a better lifestyle. As much as people say freebies, they're not freebies. These are the benefits that we deserve. That's why you see a lot of our Goans and a lot of our people from India move abroad for a better lifestyle. Why? Because our government is not giving us that. We've celebrated 75 years of independence and we are still a developing country. We should have already been a developed country. But we are not yet. Because of corruption that is built in. You think India being such, with the resources what we have, we couldn't reach that height? So that's the reason why Aam Aadmi Party is one party that is bringing out that change. I mean, if you can see, it's the only party that has given free transportation for women. Tell me anywhere in India that any party is giving that. So is the common man benefited? I mean, we are saying save Goa, we are fighting for that. But it all comes at the larger picture. If people are happy, they will not do these things. Corruption won't be there if people are happy, if the children are being educated right from government school levels, right from medical centers where people can save up. Everyone's going to be happy. Right now, everyone's frustrated, everyone's trying to make money, everyone's destroying our environment. That's why we are constantly on ground level, but this is something what we need.
Then why not assure people on those grounds, saying because at present people are assured only about freebies. We are not told about anything about Save Goa or Protect Goa. Then why only freebies?
If you can see right now, there's a lot of time for elections to come in. It's 6 months more. We've already given our first guarantee, that is free electricity, that is 300 units. I mean, there's so much more that's going to be announced. We are keeping everyone in suspense because we are going to be throwing down bombs every time Mr. Kejriwal comes down. Because this is what we Goans deserve. We need good governance, we need honest governance, and we need something where the common man can be uplifted. Right now, those who are poor are even crushed down even more. This pandemic has just showed us where we stand. No one cares for the common man. No one really cares, and Aam Aadmi Party is the only party in the whole of India. That's why we want to grow as a country. We are small. Goa is like one small dot on the map. It's a beautiful place, but it's just being destroyed. But we as Aam Aadmi Party can flourish it with good governance, because we deserve something like this. Money is there, but it has to be put in the right places.
Okay, so which party according to you is AAP's biggest competitor?
Right now it's BJP because they are in power. But if you see 2017 election, people voted for Congress. And then what happened? BJP came into power because they bought some of the MLAs. And then in 2019, again the same thing happened. 10 MLAs jumped from Congress to BJP. So this is what we are fighting for. We don't want buying and selling of MLAs that's happening right now. We are not here to buy MLAs. We are here to give good governance for the people. And the people of Goa should decide right now, because we've seen this hopping, jumping that has been happening on a regular basis. There's no respect of vote right now. So this needs to change, and that's why our battle is out right now with the BJP.
So in future, if any other party member wants to come in alliance with your party, would you welcome that person or no?
If you see in Delhi, they won in majority. And this is what we are telling the people. Give Aam Aadmi Party a chance this 2022 elections in majority if we want to save Goa.
But will you welcome other party members or no?
Time will tell later, but right now we want people to vote. So people have to decide to give a chance to Aam Aadmi Party. And I'll keep repeating this. Every time you ask me this question, I will keep repeating this, that people have to vote in majority. We've tried. everything. And people have to use their power of vote, which comes in once in 5 years, and not to waste it on any other party, but give it for Aam Aadmi Party, because in 2017 it was not given. Give us this chance now in 2022.
आमच्या गोंयकारांनी खुबशे जाणांक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज दिल्ल्यो आसात आनी बेस्ड ऑन द प्रॉमिसीस वॉट दे हॅव मेड पीपल हॅव इलेक्टेड देयर रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स ऑल्सो. वॉट डू यू फील द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव रियली वॉन्ट and what you plan to deliver for the people of Talegaon?
Well, Talegaon is a beautiful village, and the people are so welcoming because we've already started our groundwork, and what we can see is people of Talegaon want to protect what is left, and it's getting destroyed every day. So if you can see right now in Talegaon, health center is one of the things that is not given importance. Like 20 years, the present MLA has been in power. The family, you can say family Raj has been in power. There is not even one health center for the people. And this pandemic time, it has hit people really hard that we had to wait in line in GMC. So this is something that where we want to change. And we want to bring in that health center, which is people have been waiting for the last 20 years. Then if you see, the next thing is our infrastructure. Our roads are in such pathetic condition. Certain roads are done, certain roads are just left unattended. It is where they get votes, they take care. Where they don't get votes, they just leave it like that. Then our schools facility, which are here. You can see the state of our government schools are in such pathetic condition. Another important thing is sports. Sports is not encouraged here. Though we have a football ground, it's in a pathetic state. That needs to enhance, because I think so Goa has one of the best players and they've come out from Talegaon itself. And we also believe in sustainable development. But at present, you know what I've been fighting for is the fields in Talegaon. And our present Panchayat, our present GPPDA chairperson is not interested in saving the Talegaon fields. We all want development, but at what cost? We can see climate, what's happening, the floods that are happening. Now in Talegaon, we have low-lying fields. Those need to be protected. If they're converted into construction sites and buildings, what is left? You can see the people are having a lot of water shortages in Talegaon, and that's why tankers mafia is on. Sorry to say, but every society that is there in Talegaon has water crisis. And sewage being left into the fields. And even from our fishing side of it, the whole fishing community, lot of illegal fishing that's happening, that also needs to stop. So there are thousands of issues, but only a like-minded government will take it up. And this is why we're saying give a chance to honest politics, so that when we come in power, we can deliver that to the people. So just hoping that everyone has seen problems, issues happening, but taking that forward and getting it delivered is what we are hoping that the people will vote for.
Last year on Liberation Day, तुवें एक स्टेटमेंट केल्लो. Portuguese rule was better. अशें कित्याक म्हणलें तुवें? तुका अजून तशें दिसता?
I think so. Last year for Liberation Day, we friends and family had gone to Panjim Church just to celebrate. There were a lot of tourists. Everyone was there, and seeing the police, ask me to get off from the place where we went to celebrate was something that caught me from nowhere. I am there with my son, I am there with my friends, and they are just telling us to move. They are not telling any other tourists, but they are telling us, we Goans who have come there to celebrate Liberation Day. We were there singing songs, we were there enjoying, and you all have seen the video. And then one by one, suddenly we were just pulled into, the police van. Children were there, they were seeing us being dragged into the police van. My son was separated from me. And that's the anger that I had, and we were like constantly telling, because what the present government is doing right now is suppressing people. What Portuguese did also, they suppressed the Goans. And after our freedom fighters fought for Goa and we got liberated, we are celebrating liberation, you're suppressing again another Goan and taking us, separating us from our children and taking us into the police van. And if you see, when I said that statement, it was in anger, but there was so much more that happened to it. And the opposition will always cut and edit how they want to portray me as. And that went on a repeat because I saw that. And people took me in a wrong way. But understand, a mother being separated from a child on Liberation Day when she's come there to celebrate with everyone. Imagine if you were just suddenly separated from your family for no reason at all. I mean, this is why we need to, this is why I'm happy that you're asking me to clarify this, because, it's an emotional thing that how people want to put you down when the scenario is totally different. And I got very emotional at that point of time when I saw people commenting, oh, she loves the Portuguese. I respect all the freedom fighters who have given their lives to save Goa, and that's why today we are enjoying whatever liberation we have. But this present government is taking us back into that rule of suppression. So where is the difference? So that's why I said that statement, and people took me in the wrong sense, and I'm happy. Thank you for asking me that question and clarifying it. People, I love Goa and I will fight for Goa till the end, and I'm so happy we are being liberated, but we still need to be liberated yet again. We are going to be celebrating 60 years of liberation, and yet I feel we are suppressed as citizens. We don't have our freedom of speech, voice, and do anything whatever we want to. So that needs to change right now.
Okay, so Cecil, तू सामके बेस्ट उलयलें. And let us कंसामी मानूया की तू येतलें. गोंयकारूय मानतले की तू येतलें. How are you rolling up your sleeves? So how is it going on? कशें चल्लां? And ते suspense मातशें उगडून घे.
No, the main thing is from 2017 when I fought the first assembly election, I was totally new. Like from a volunteer, I was just made into a candidate and I was thrown into the sea saying that fight election. So I gave it my 100%, but being a new person, you know how it is. People don't know you. I couldn't reach everywhere. Though I introduced myself to all the houses, it didn't work. I got 1,900 votes. ZP elections happened last year in 2020. I got 3,500 plus votes, and that is only Panchayat election. So fighting 2 elections and now getting geared up for the 3rd election, that is the big elections, that's the Assembly 2022, has been a big journey. And one thing I've realized is going down house to house, visiting people, has been the biggest transformation that I've had from 2017 to now, is that people have recognized me who I am. And they are welcoming me into their homes. They want to listen to me, they want to understand me, and they're saying, Madam, ami tuka TV poila, mobile chir poila, and now we are seeing you in front of us. So what we are telling the people is one thing is, that if you want to save Talegaon, this is your time. And if people of Talegaon vote for Aam Aadmi Party, it will not be the victory of mine, it will be people's victory after 20 years. And this needs to change right away. So going down on ground level, meeting people, having that smile on the face and saying, I'm Cecil Rodriguez and I'm standing as a candidate of Aam Aadmi Party and I'm here to bring in that change that Talegaon deserves. It's an overwhelming response that I'm getting on ground level and I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you for being here. We are very grateful to you. Thank you. तर हे आशिल्ले सेसिल रॉड्रिगीज. आमी कांय प्रश्न कवर अप करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. तरी तुमच्या मनात कसलेय प्रश्न आसात जाल्यार कमेंट सेक्शनाक ते पोस्ट करात. आमी प्रयत्न करतली ताची उतरां तुमच्या कडेन पावोवपाची. आनी लायक, शेअर आनी सबस्क्रायब करपाक विसरूं नाकात.